What if doctors could predict patient outcomes with 95% accuracy before even diagnosing them, thanks to AI? This isn't a scene from a futuristic movie, but a reality that's unfolding right now. The integration of AI in healthcare is one of the most significant advancements of our time, with the potential to save countless lives and revolutionize the way we approach medicine. In this episode, we're going to explore the how behind this revolution, delving into the practical steps, tools, and considerations for using AI in healthcare settings. From the collection of medical data to the application of predictive analytics, we'll break down the process into actionable steps that both healthcare professionals and enthusiasts can understand and appreciate.
Let's dive deeper into what makes AI so powerful in healthcare. At its core, AI's ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately is what sets it apart. In healthcare, this translates into analyzing patient histories, genetic information, medical images, and real-time data from IoT devices, among other things. The depth of analysis AI can perform is unprecedented, allowing for the identification of patterns that human eyes might miss. For instance, AI can analyze thousands of medical images to detect early signs of diseases like cancer more accurately and earlier than human radiologists. Moreover, AI-driven chatbots are being used to provide personalized patient care, offering tailored advice and support based on individual patient needs. The key to leveraging AI effectively in healthcare is understanding how to prepare and utilize these vast datasets, ensuring they are not only accurate, but also ethically sourced and protected.
As promising as AI in healthcare sounds, there are controversies and ethical considerations that we must address. One of the most significant concerns is data privacy. When dealing with highly sensitive medical information, ensuring that this data is protected and used ethically is paramount. There have been instances where the misuse of medical data has led to serious violations of patient privacy, highlighting the need for robust safeguards. Moreover, the reliance on AI for diagnosis and treatment plans raises questions about accountability and the potential for biases in AI algorithms. If an AI system misdiagnoses a patient or recommends an inappropriate treatment, who is responsible? These are complex issues that require careful consideration and regulation. The development of transparent AI systems that can explain their decision-making processes is crucial in building trust and ensuring that the benefits of AI are equitably distributed.
Looking to the future, the impact of AI in healthcare is expected to be profound. As AI technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated applications in patient care, from personalized medicine to remote health monitoring. The potential for AI to help address some of the world's most pressing health challenges, such as pandemics and access to healthcare in underserved communities, is vast. Moreover, the integration of AI with other technologies like blockchain and the Internet of Things (IoT) could lead to entirely new models of healthcare delivery that are more efficient, accessible, and patient-centric. However, realizing this future will require continued investment in AI research, the development of standards and regulations to ensure safety and efficacy, and a concerted effort to address the ethical and social implications of AI in healthcare.
As we conclude this deep dive into the world of AI in healthcare, it's clear that we're on the cusp of a revolution that could change the face of medicine forever. Whether you're a healthcare professional, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone interested in the future of healthcare, understanding AI's role in this sector is crucial. We hope this episode has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the how and why behind AI in healthcare, as well as insights into the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. If you found this content informative and engaging, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of AI and its applications across various industries. Your support helps us continue to produce high-quality content that educates and inspires. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more of the AI universe with you in our future episodes.